So I'm here to talk about VersaNote, which is a roll-to-part flexible electronic device. So thank you for allowing me to talk to you. VersaNote is made by Boogie Board, which is a brand by Kent Displays. We're experts in reflective bistable cholesteric technology, and our mission is really to redefine the writing experience through both technology and design. We've been around since 1993, and we have about 75 employees. We've been making boogie boards for about 12 years, and we've expanded our product into a variety of markets from, if you're looking at the slide, the upper left-hand corner is toys, down through the middle is toys, going back up through the center is educational products, moving over to our Jot and dashboard lines, which are more general purpose, to our VersaNote line, and onto our Blackboard line, which is used for high-end office applications. For the VersaNote development, it's a little bit different than our regular boogie board. It's kind of a departure. So really our process that we used to develop it was based on the idea of let's make our writing surface flexible. And then we process through some feasibility steps, some prototype steps, and finally scale up and then to manufacturing. So a little bit about the VersaNote. Its functionality is very similar to the boogie board, where the liquid crystal flows in response to pressure and reflects a bright line. But here the surface is flexible. And also it electronically erases and is ready to be used again and again like a boogie board. And some of the advantages we think is, it's a fun, unique writing experience that's different than writing on a tablet or on paper, because it can be used over and over again. We see it as a replacement for paper, and it can be used for games or notes or just jotting down information before you lose your thought. And from a mass production standpoint, it's made by cleanroom-based roll-to-part processes. And here's some pictures showing some of the typical use of it. For jotting down notes, it has a specially formed corner that allows you to pick up the device and handle it. And I want to draw your attention to the figure at the bottom that shows the stylus. It's a special stylus that if you can write on it in one side, and when you turn over and use the end of the stylus and center that over the circular area on the VersaNote, it will erase and be ready to be used again. As we were developing the unique manufacturing processes for making VersaNote, we decided to offer these assets and our expertise to others through a contract manufacturing service called technical services. So some of the technical services that we offer are, we have about 12,000 square feet of manufacturing space that houses 3 cleanroom-based roll-to-roll manufacturing lines. And we have a suite of chambers as well as optical and dimensional metrology systems. The things that differentiate us from others are, we do cleanroom-based manufacturing, and we do pilot to high volume. We have very automated manufacturing, and we do product and process development. So for, some things we've had to bring in new processes and develop them, and we are based in beautiful Kent, Ohio. Some of the manufacturing competencies I'd like to highlight are those that are used in VersaNote and also available to others through our tech services division, is the lamination of optically clear adhesives as well as pressure sensitive adhesives, the printing of decorative and functional materials, and even printing patterned PSAs like that might be used for membrane switches. And then we have a variety of singulation options, which is how we go from a roll of film to a part. We do multi-axis precision rotary die cutting, so we can print something and then die cut to that print. And we also do roll-to-roll laser cutting and processing. And then we also have electrical assembly, low pressure injection molding, as well as custom packaging. So kind of talking a little bit about the technical services process, it's really to listen to the customer, develop some plan to demonstrate feasibility, take that to the next step for prototyping, and then scaling that up, where you get to initial production and problem solving, and finally to manufacturing. So that's a little bit about VersaNote and a little bit about our technical services division. I'd be happy to answer any questions, or here's my contact info. Please reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you about either one. So thank you very much.